when we're playing with code, as we were doing in class, certainly, just purely exploring what happens when we type in some JavaScript can be done in a little toy environment here, like the one we were looking at, where I can paste something in, or better yet, type it in so that you remember what's there. And we can see the output here. But another way we can do it is certainly through the tools that we've already been using, and maybe a little more realistic, is to sort of see it in the context of an HTML document and kind of play with it really within the actual browser itself, which runs JavaScript for you. So here's that little program that we were just looking at with Atom. I'll just open up Atom here too. And you can see that I've loaded it up. I've just got it as a local file called playing.html because playing is the most important thing. And when I do and this was just I'll undo it, but I had my developer tools is what I was looking at. If I load the file, there's absolutely no HTML that displays, which is kind of funny. But if I go into my developer tools and I say, hey, I want to take a look at what's really going on, I can see the file is got a little body with nothing but some JavaScript in it, sets a variable to 3 and prints the variable out on the console. And that's what we're seeing down here is this number 3. And so if I click on playing, it shows me that that's the line, the down here in the console, if I click on the line number here, that actually highlights what line it was that produced this output that shows up on the console. So the way that we'll play today a little bit here in these videos is just by modifying what's going on here in the actual HTML file and using the browser to debug our JavaScript. So if I were to, break this, and that's what we want to do a lot, is break things, and I'll say I want to save that file in Atom, and then I want to reload it here in my browser, it actually gives me a reference error. Console log without the dot in it is not defined. I can click on it here and it'll show me the error up there. And now this is maybe not as immediate gratification as maybe doing it here and seeing the same thing. But the advantage is that we're actually going to be exploring things in the environment that you'll be debugging JavaScript in. So there's an advantage to doing this. We'll do a few example videos of this right now.